Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Vintage Vikings, and here we are on December 22nd. Just a quick little video to open up our next day in our advent calendars or Christmas countdown. Thank you guys for coming back and spending a few minutes with me every day opening my little boxes or envelopes, I guess, packets from these two boxes, the 24 Days of Stationery Advent Calendar, Christmas Countdown, whatever you want to call them. These aren't meant to be big, long, drawn-out videos, just quick little ones to share some holiday fun with you guys. Anyway, if you have gone along with me on this journey, thank you so much for coming back. And if this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. And you might want to start at the beginning, go back, see day 1 and 2. I did those together. And then you can follow along and catch up. And hopefully you'll catch up by... they're quick little videos, like I said, so you'll probably be able to catch up by at least by Christmas Eve. So anyway, let's just get started, and we will start with Francesca's like we do every day, the Livermore Woodlands one. All right, so today is the 22nd, so 22. All right, here we go. Oh, this one for some reason just looks really blurred. It's a little chilly in here today, so my camera holder is not wanting to cooperate today. Alrighty, and again, another bookmark with no tassel. And it says, it's the most wonderful time of the year with, well, a bunny and a half and 2 half mouses. So, I don't know if you can, there you go. I'll do that so it doesn't get too shiny. And again, I'm sure I've got some little tassel that I can add to this. I will say in this box, like I've said before, in the Francesca's box, the Woodland box, the actual packet is a little bit more pearlized to go along with the gold foil. I can't wait to see what I'm going to do with all these. I don't know if I'm going to like dismantle them all to, all separately, or if I'm going to turn it into yet another kind of advent calendar and fill it with fun stuff and gift it to somebody. I was thinking of maybe by Christmas, if we get a high enough subscription, I might refill all of these, do some different things on the box itself, and then re-gift this as a whole new box, because it's just such a fun box with all the nice little booklets and stuff in it. And not marketed, of course, not marketing it of this, but you know how we, when we're doing junk journals, we cover everything, we reuse everything, and then maybe I'll do it as a viewer giveaway type thing. So who knows what'll happen in the next year. All right, now let's check out Stephanie's box. Alrighty, let's see, day 22. We've only got 2 left, guys. And somebody asked me why there's only 24 and not 25, because it's a countdown to Christmas, and by Christmas Eve it should be done, because on Christmas morning you open all your presents, and so you're already there. You've already counted down. So, alrighty, this one's kind of blending in because this is a pink background and this is pink, but I'll do my best. Okay, and here we are. We got 2 gold small bulldog clips. They're pretty lightweight. 2 bulldog clips. So, alrighty. And I will say, if you weren't here for when I mentioned it before, I did contact this company via email, just letting them know the quality of this box was not what it was advertised, and so I'll let you know if I get any updates on that. But December 22nd, today is day 22, and we only have 2 more for this box, which means Santa comes in 2 days. Well, at least our house Santa will come in 2 days. I would love to hear in the comments below what you do to get ready for Christmas, or if you're all ready for Christmas. If you have a minute, please subscribe so that I can build up my channel a little bit and get some incentives to do some fun things after the first of the year. Maybe do some challenges and things like that. So And if you haven't seen, check out my little video that as soon as I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway of an actual junk journal. So, one of my handcrafted ones. Not just a small folio, but an actual full junk journal. So, I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and we will see you tomorrow on Christmas Eve. So, bye for now, you guys.